Hello students, good morning and welcome to class. In the previous class we discussed about the chapter Magic Garden. What we learned was that there was a magic garden in school playground and little children used to come and water the plants and used to come and play in the playground, and the flowers there were sunflowers, roses, poppies, pansies, marigolds. They all were happy and they used to talk to each other about the children. And now let us continue the chapter in continuation with the previous class. Now, "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. A small bird said that we love the little children. They are kind and they bring bread for us. वो बड़ी दयालु हैं और हमारे लिए ब्रेड भी लाते हैं. That means children used to give breads to the birds in the garden. All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." And the flowers said that they have to work hard to make their dresses very pretty, means they have to look beautiful, they have to brighten their colors, as it was time for children to come. The sun said, "I will help you also." And the sun said that I will help you, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. The sun says that children running in the golden sunshine, that means in the sunshine when children run in the playground, that the sun also enjoys that and he feels happy to see them. So the sun is saying that I will also help you to make children happy. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. And then all of a sudden the children came out laughing and singing, means they were laughing and singing. And the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. And the flowers stopped talking and their songs because they wanted to listen to what the children were saying. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. One of the children said, "Oh, look, that tall sunflower," and the sunflower felt very happy for that, and he lifted its head very proudly, means he felt pride in that. Another child said, "I love the marigold in the golden dress." Another child there said that he loved marigold because of its golden color. The marigold smiled happily, and listening this, the marigold smiled happily. Now let us repeat. "We love the children," said a tiny bird. एक छोटी सी चिड़िया ने कहा कि हमें बच्चे अच्छे लगते हैं. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." वो बड़े अच्छे हैं और हमारे लिए ब्रेड लाते हैं. All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." सारे फूलों ने कहा हमें अपनी ड्रेसेस को सुंदर कर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि बच्चों के आने का समय हो गया है, वो जल्दी ही आने वाले होंगे. The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine." सूरज ने कहा मैं भी तुम्हें इस कार्य में मदद करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे भी बच्चों का सूर्य की रोशनी में दौड़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मुझे उससे जितनी खुशी मिलती है उतनी और किसी चीज़ से नहीं मिलती. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing. अचानक बच्चे गाते और हंसते हुए बाहर आ गए. And the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. और फूलों ने अपना गाना रोक दिया बच्चों की बातें सुनने के लिए. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child. एक बच्चे ने कहा अरे वो लंबे सनफ्लावर को देखो. And the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. और सनफ्लावर को बड़ी खुशी हुई और उसने गर्व से अपना सर ऊंचा किया. Another child said, दूसरे बच्चे ने कहा, "I love the marigold in its golden dress." मुझे गेंदे का फूल उसके सुनहरे कपड़ों पे अच्छा लगता है। द मैरीगोल्ड स्माइल्ड हैप्पीली, और गेंदे का फूल खुशी से मुस्कुराने लगा। See, the child is looking at the sunflower here in the picture. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. There were fairies also. Fairy means परी। अब क्योंकि वो जादुई बगीचा है तो वहाँ पर परियाँ भी थीं, तो वो वास्तव में एक जादुई बगीचा था क्योंकि उसमें परियाँ भी थीं। They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. वो नाचती और गाती थी और उनका गाना केवल बच्चे ही सुन सकते थे। See, you can see fairies in the picture. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. कुछ समय के बाद परियां निकल कर आईं और डांसिंग एंड टॉक नाचते हुए आईं और बच्चों के साथ बातचीत की। द ड्रेसेस वर मेड ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड देयर विंग्स ऑफ सनशाइन। उनके कपड़े फूलों के बने थे और पंख सूर्य की रोशनी से। द मैजिक गार्डन वॉज क्वाइट दैट नाइट। उस रात मैजिक गार्डन बड़ा शांत था। द फ्लावर्स एंड बर्ड्स वर अस्लीप एंड ड्रीमिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट डे। फूल और चिड़िया सब सोए हुए थे और अगले दिन के बारे में सोच रहे थे। व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन वुड कम अगेन, जब बच्चे दोबारा से आएंगे। दिस चैप्टर हैज़ बीन अडॉप्टेड फ्रॉम द फेरी गार्डन बाय मार्गरेट एच बोल्टन। मार्गरेट एच बोल्टन ने लिखी है एक कहानी द फेरी गार्डन, उसमें से ये चैप्टर लिया गया है। That's all for today, students. Now go through this video, listen this video 2-3 times to understand the chapter and read it and learn it, and you can write the next paragraph. I think you all must have written the first paragraph in your notebooks. Now your homework is to write the second paragraph in your notebook. That's all for today. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.